Hello and welcome to the Mir Stitch channel. In this tutorial, we will learn a simple trick to shorten jeans. If the jeans are too long, first mark the desired length to prepare them for shortening. After marking the desired length, carefully cut the jeans straight along the marked line. Once you've removed the needed section, as shown in the picture, cut off the extra fabric that's making the pants too long from the hem and neatly trim it away. You turn the removed piece over and place it upside down on the cut edge of the jeans, getting it ready for sewing. After placing the removed piece upside down on the cut edge of the jeans, take a strong thread and securely baste the two pieces together. As shown in the picture, carefully place the two pieces together and secure them with strong basting stitches to keep them from shifting while sewing. If you don't have a sewing machine, don't worry, this step can be done entirely by hand, giving you a clean and durable result. Hand sewing is a valuable skill that allows you to repair and alter your clothes at home without expensive equipment. By learning a few simple techniques, you can shorten pants, adjust sleeves, or repair damaged areas using only a needle and thread, all at a very low cost. In addition to saving money, hand sewing helps extend the life of your clothes and reduces unnecessary waste. It is also a relaxing and creative skill that anyone can learn with a little practice. So, if you don't own a sewing machine, don't let that stop you. With just a needle, thread, and a little patience, you can make many clothing repairs and alterations at home and achieve beautiful, professional-looking results. After finishing the basting stitches, take another thread and, as shown in the picture, carefully sew along the edge. This stitch makes the seam stronger, cleaner, and more durable, giving the jeans a neat, professional finish. If you take your time and follow each step carefully, the final result will look very similar to the original factory stitching. If you enjoy learning simple and practical sewing tips, clothing repairs, and sewing techniques, and budget-friendly ideas for transforming old clothes, be sure to join the Mir Stitch channel. Here, you'll discover easy-to-follow tutorials that help you repair, alter, and give new life to your clothes at home without the need for expensive equipment. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the Mir Stitch channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future sewing tutorials. Also, share this video with your friends and anyone who loves sewing, clothing repairs, and creative sewing tips. Thank you for watching and supporting Mir Stitch. And here is the final result of the project. As you can see, with a simple trick and a little patience, we were able to shorten the length of the jeans to the desired size and create a clean and neat finish.